Ah, pancakes. A wonderful breakfast item to make at your home. Usually, you would go out to the store and buy a pancake mix. And my dad actually says he makes them from scratch. What he does is he goes out to the store, scratches his head, and says, okay, which pancake mix should I buy? Now, today we're going to be making... we're going to be making homemade pancakes. Straight from the Cooking with Crazy Chef kitchen. Now, there are different types of pans you could use in the kitchen. The first one is the griddle. The griddle is great because you can put multiple pancakes on it, but cleanup is a hassle because you have to make sure you don't get the electronics wet or else your griddle is done for. So, that's not what we're going to use today. The other option is a pancake pan. It has 4 spots to put your pancakes on, so that way you know where to put them. But then when you flip it over, it's on a cold surface, which takes the pancakes longer to cook. Then there's also the problem you can't monitor the pancakes. So you end up probably burning the pancakes on one side or both. So this is not what we're going to use. And then we have the typical frying pan. Now this one is a copper coated ceramic pan. It's great, it's smooth, and you know, they come with a non-stick surface. I can monitor it, cleanup is easy, and you can find them anywhere at the store. So this is what we're going to be using today for our pancake recipe. So for today's recipe, we're going to be taking the recipe book out of the Amish Country Cookbook Volume 3. This comes from the restaurant The Essen House in Shipshewana, Indiana. This was my grandma's cookbook. Very good recipe. I loved it all the time. So now I'm going to share it with you. So let's cook. Okay, so our ingredients today are 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you add those first 4 ingredients, then you're supposed to sift it together, just like this. Get them all mixed together. Then you're going to take buttermilk for 2 cups. Then we're going to add 2 eggs. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then we're going to whisk it all together. Make sure to beat the eggs in here. As you can see, after a little bit of whisking, it's looking a lot better than initially it was. It's starting to get all fluffy. Now time for our taste test, okay? So we have our pancakes here. Cut into them. As you can see, they're light and fluffy. Draped with syrup, just how I like them. They're really good. You can definitely taste all the ingredients and stuff. They're nice and fluffy, very good. I'd say, better than, if you wanted to go and buy a store box. Now, so there you have it. a wonderful homemade pancake recipe straight from my home kitchen to yours that I'm 90% sure your kids will love. This is Krazy Chef signing off. Ah, pancakes. What a wonderful meal. It's awesome.
Okay, stop.
This is good. You know, it has 4 spots to put your pancakes on. And then it also has the other. You know it. Sorry.
Yeah, start again. It's alright, just keep going.
Now this comes from the restaurant of the Essen House in Shipshewan, Indiana.
You want to say that again?
Okay.